Hello everyone, this is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares. Sorry I haven't been doing many hellos at the moment because I'm stuck isolating with COVID-19, but just wanted to say a quick hello and wondered if anyone was doing the butterfly stitch prayer shawl. I was able to upload them because they were all ready to go, and I've continued with the one I was working on in the videos. I've continued using this yarn. I absolutely love it, and it's such a shame that Starcraft have taken it off their range. I just love the bright colours, so I'm still working on that, as I say. Loving doing the butterfly prayer shawl. I like the symmetry. It's a bit like the virus shawl where you've got the symmetry. And also I didn't feel much like doing the crochet along when it was live on the Crochet Therapy. COVID, it's a bit up and down, making me feel up and down, but I did manage to make the fingerless gloves that Barbara demonstrated, so I got those done a couple of days after the event, but at least I got them done, so that was an achievement. I felt that was an achievement getting that done. And also I must show you the basket that I made using yarn that was gifted to me from Australia. It's cotton yarn. I'm trying to show that here. It's a bit difficult, little tiny screen. I wanted to make something that I use, and I'm definitely using this project basket, and I've put bobble stitches in, and you're going to laugh, I made a little demo for myself. It's not exactly how the basket turned out, because that looks more like a bag, but I wanted it to be more of a basket, so I made it, more wider than narrow. So anyway, I hope you're all doing well, and I have got another video, just a basic triangle, granny square triangle, which was ready to go, so I must get that uploaded as well. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.